not a game, it's a rich thing.
It's hot out this joint. Alright guys, today's video, man, I gotta tell y'all this because I know everybody's been waiting for me to get a Hellcat, and I told you guys I've been working on my credit report. So I gotta give y'all this game, man. I gotta give y'all this game. I made a video a while back talking about I paid a company to help me fix my credit report. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and say they didn't do anything. They actually did help me figure out what was actually hurting my credit report. But I eventually stopped my membership with them because I started to feel like it wasn't actually, I started to feel like I could do it on my own, and it's taken so long. And so I started doing some more research. What I found out to be more effective is actually mailing out letters describing exactly what you want to dispute on your credit report. So what I did was I did a little more research, and I came across this website, and what they actually do is they scan through your credit report and they find everything that's negative on your credit report, and it creates letters that you can mail out to the credit bureaus. So I'm actually on my way right now to get some envelopes so I can mail out these letters. And if you've been doing any kind of research, if you're trying to fix your credit, you always hear about them talking about actually mailing letters out to the credit bureaus and getting things deleted off the credit report. So I found this website, and I did research on the website, and it's legit. And I'll leave a link in the description. They generate all the negative items on your credit report. They generate dispute letters for you. All you gotta do is fill in the information like your social security number, date of birth, stuff like that. And it tells you everything you need to do, everything you need to fill out to challenge the items on your credit report. So I'm on my way right now to actually mail off, to actually go and get the envelope so I can mail these letters off. And that's actually what's been taking so long for us, you know, why I haven't went on and pulled the trigger, because I'm trying to get my credit report, my credit score a little higher. There's still some things on there that I need to get fixed. That's not right, that's negative. And the company that I was using to help me, it just seemed like it was just taking way too long. So I was just getting frustrated. I'm like, why I keep paying them money to do something I can pretty much do myself? So I'm really actually thinking about starting my own credit repair company, because I've learned so much, and my credit score has actually gone up about 90 points. And it's not because of, I don't think, anything that company been doing, because I actually called the credit bureaus myself and challenged some things, and it's actually helped my credit. Like, I have gotten some inquiries removed, some old accounts has been deleted, so my credit score went up like 90 points. So that's what's going on with me buying the Hellcat, man. I'm still working on my credit report, bro, because that car is just too expensive to go in there with, you know, the credit score that I have. Even though the score that I have, it's not necessarily bad. It's just that the higher your score, the better interest rate you get, which means the lower your payments. And the car being that expensive, I'm not trying to necessarily go in there with, I'm trying to go in there with the highest credit score I can actually come in there with. So that's what's going on, guys, because every time I start a video, I need gas. It's the raw pedal, man, I'm telling y'all. But yeah, man, this check the link in the description if you guys need to work on your credit report, or you just want to see what could be causing your credit to be low, your score to be low, or you're just curious about if you have anything negative on your credit report. go to that link and it'll definitely generate a dispute letter for you. All you got to do is fill in your personal information and mail it off, man. So that's what I'm doing right now. That's what I tell you guys. I'm just not rushing to run out here and buy a Hellcat, buy a 392, because if your credit not right, man, they gonna screw you. They already trying to get over on you anyway when you go to the dealership with all those extra fees. But you know, I've done several videos about that. So if you're new to the channel, man, you want to go back through my videos. I've done some videos about your credit reports and stuff like that. Again, I'm just not the one that just, like I say, this channel is a car channel, but financing and leasing is definitely part of having a car. So every now and then I try to throw some stuff in there, man, to help you guys out. I don't know everything. Like I said, I'm not a credit expert, but by actually going through the process of trying to correct my credit report, I've learned a lot. So if I know something, I'm gonna bring it. If I know something, I'm gonna pass it on to you guys, because I know it's a lot of young people I know it's a lot of you guys that are young, following my channel. And I'm gonna tell you, man, you gotta have your credit right. Never co-sign for somebody to get a car. I don't care if it's your wife or your daggone girlfriend, whoever. Never do it, because if they don't pay for it, you're responsible for it, and they do not care. It will go on your credit report, and the repossession will go on your credit report. And that's no cap. And I know y'all know what that means, especially you youngers. So yeah, man, like I say, my credit score has gone up at least anywhere between 80 and 90 points over the last couple months, and that's tremendous, because that's gonna make a huge difference as far as my payments. So that's gonna be the difference in me buying a 392 or buying a Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? So if I could just be patient, continue to work on my credit, and which will put me in a position to get a Hellcat, that's what I'm gonna do. Stay tuned, man. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and go to the link in the description, man, and get your credit together. But that's the only way to make it nowadays, man. You gotta have good credit, bro. So I'm about to mail these letters off, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Again, go in the description, man. Check the link if you're trying to get your credit score together or get your credit together. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.